Saturday night goals.
Burning my hand.
What do you mean just burning your hands? Welcome to my science lab. So the aim is to dissect the stress ball. Honestly, I might need one of these in my life. Oh, it looks pretty. You know?
Ew. Is it slime or something?
It looks like fish eggs. Oh, it's warm. Oh, this is awkward. Oh, this is
so
weird.
Andrew!
Like, why is it sticky? What is this?
Oh my god.
Use the... Get this off my... What's happening? What's happening?
Burning my hand.
What? What do you mean just burning your hands?
It's like doesn't clog.
Can you please get out? Oh my god! Get out of my room! Go away! That is my clay comforter! Get out! I'm on the phone!
Right.
Hey, go to bed now!
Yeah, good night.
Seriously!
Seriously.
Hey, seriously, go to bed!
You.
Leave me alone! Fuck off! Get the fuck out! Devin's after me!
That's not respectful. That's disrespectful.
Please leave my privacy!
Rude. Today I feel like a zombie, so I'm going to go and play ball. Want the ball? The ball. Alright, let's do this. Let's go! I actually need to use the washroom first, so you're gonna have to give me a sec. Having like hurricane winds right now. There's some kind of hurricane, I don't even know the name of it, going around.